Is it recording? Alright, today we're just going to talk about what happens if a vacuum itself. Yeah, if you guys get it, it's a vacuum itself. So today I'm going to try to use a vacuum and vacuum itself. You guys will not believe what happened. Yeah, I know you guys will think that it will form a black hole. Oh, black hole. Woo. So let's start our video. See ya. Alright, so here I am with a vacuum machine, and now we're going to test what we want to do. Let's go. Look at this, look at this. Yeah. Alright, so it's pretty loud right now. Let's vacuum myself.